Hi everyone, I'm Sherika Hapuarachchi. I have more than 20 years experience in teaching mathematics for primary and secondary students. This is my YouTube channel, Math Plus. Now from the previous video, I have discussed the Pearson Edexcel Primary Achievement Test Year 6, the last year's paper, Section A, the first 10 questions, right? Now today from this video, I'm going to discuss the Section A, the next 10 questions, right? Let's move to the first slide. This is the 11th question. Which of these is a prime number? Now, when you're doing this question, you should know what are prime numbers. We know prime numbers are having two factors. So what are those two factors? The number itself and the one, right? When you get number 27, now easily you can identify 27 means it's 9 times 3. So when you get number 27, 27 is a factor, 1 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 3 is a factor. So it has more than two factors. So therefore, 27 is not a prime number. Similar way, when you take 57, when you take 19 times 3, right? 19 times 3. Yes, you get 57. So then 57 is a factor, 1, 19, 3. So 57 also cannot be a prime number. When you take number 87, when you multiply 29 times 3, you're getting 87. So therefore, 87 also cannot be a prime number. So then according to these four answers, the correct answer is 67. So 67 is the prime number out of these numbers, right? So that is how you have to do when it comes for the paper. You just check the other answers as well. After that, try to identify the correct answer, right? Let's do the 12th question. Which pair of numbers are common multiples of 3 and 7? In other words, the meaning of this, now when you're going to consider a number, that number should be in the 3 times table. And when you're going to consider the similar number, that number should be in the 7 times table. That is why we say common multiples, right? Let's see. Now, when you get the first one in the 3 times table, you will get 21. Yes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Yes. In the 7 times table, 7, 14, 21. Right. The first number is correct. We'll see the second number, 42. I will start counting 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42. Yes, we'll see the 7 times table. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So therefore, the correct answer is the first pair, 21 and 42, right? The 13th question, you have to find 35% of 120. So you can write 35% means 35 out of 100. We know of means multiplication. So you can use the multiplication sign. And 120. Okay, so you can simplify this 0 to 0. Then I can cut with 5s. 5 times 2 and 5 times 7. Again, I can cut 2 times 1, 2 times 6. So 7 times 6, I'll get 42. Therefore, my answer is 42. So what you have to do first, you write this 35% as a fraction. After that, you use multiplication sign and write the number. After that, you have to simplify, right? Now, up to now, we have done 3 questions. Let's move to the next slide. Right. This is the 14th question. A and B are 2 points of a right-angled triangle. Which of these could be the third point of the right-angled triangle? Now we know when we get a right-angled triangle, there should be 90 degrees, right? Now we'll see. 4, 5. I'm just checking 4, 5, right? If I mark it here, yes. What I can see, easily I can find a right-angled triangle, isn't it, right? Right, like that way I can make it. So therefore, the correct coordinate should be 4, 5. So there I will get a right angle. Now see, this is the line. So then it is a right angle, and here I can see my 90 degrees angle. Here I can form my 90 degrees angle. Therefore, this is the correct coordinate, right? Let's move to the 15th question. Yeah. The 15th question, in a shop, pens cost 135 and the pencils cost 0.79. How much would it cost to buy 1 pen and 2 pencils? So 1 pen is 135. So better you write it 135 and 1 pencil is 0.79. So remember to write it in the correct place. And you're not going to buy only 1 pencil. You're going to buy 2 pencils. So you have to add another one. Now what you have to do, you have to add them correctly, right? That's the way. So when it comes for the paper, even you better write one under the other. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, it's 23. So you write 2 here. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2, it's 12. 12 plus 7, it's 19. Write 9 and carry this one to the other side. 1 plus 1, it's 2. So then you will get the answer 2.93. That is how we do that question. The 16th question, Omar did a survey about swimming. This pie chart shows his results. Now, 18 like swimming, right? Do not like swimming, that is the sector. Okay. How many people did Omar ask all together? So you have to find the total one. We know when you get a circle, there are 4 quarters. This is 1 quarter. If 1 quarter represents 18, how to find the full circle? You have to multiply this quarter answer by 4. Because we know there are 4 quarters in a circle. 8 times 4, it's 32. So I will write 2 and leave 3. 4 times 1, it's 4. 4 plus 3, it's 7. So altogether, there are 72 people, right? That is how we answer this question, right? Let's go to the 17th question. Right. The 17th question, it's from the ratio. Lexi and Paul have 420. They share it in the ratio 4 to 3. So when you get a question like that, the necessary things or the things what you know, better you write it, right? Lexi and Paul. And their ratio is 4 to 3. 4 to 3, right? And the total number is 420. Now the question they ask, how much does Lexi? So you have to find this. Lexi is 1. So first of all, you can write it as a fraction. Lexi is having 4 parts. Paul is having 3 parts. So when I write it as a fraction, 4 plus 3, it's 7. So Lexi is having 4 out of 7. And the Paul is having 3 out of 7. So that part you write first. Now, according to this question, they say the total is 420, right? So you have to find for Lexi, you write it like this. 4 out of 7 of means multiplication of 420, because there are 4 parts out of 7, right? You can simplify. 172, inside 42 you have 6 and this 0. So then 4 times 6, it's 24, 24, and this 0, it's 240. So Lexi is receiving 240. This 18th question, it's very easy. You have to find the value of x. I will show this angle right now. This is how it is going, right? I will just show it. Now, can you see? Here you will get the vertically opposite angles, right? So we know vertically opposite angles are similar. Now that means this angle should be equals to this angle. Therefore, the value of x is 55 degrees because the vertically opposite angles are same or equal, right? Let's move to the last 2 questions. Right. Now, in the 19th question, they ask you to find the value of this, and they have given the values of for A as 3, B as 6, and C as 7. Right. We'll substitute. 6 times A, it's 3, minus 2 times, instead of B, I have used 6, and plus C is 7. Right. 6 times 3, it's 18, minus 6 times 2, it's 12, plus 7. Okay. 18 plus 12, 18 minus 12, it's 6. 6 plus 7. So 6 plus 7, you will get 13. So what I have done, now they have given A equals 3, B equals 6, and C equals 7. So I have substituted those values to this expression. Then I will get the answer as 13, right? The 20th question, calculate 4 out of 5 divided by 8. Now we know when we do fractions, when there is a decimal, when there is a division, that division you have to change into multiplication. So how do we change a division to multiplication? By taking the reciprocal. The simple meaning of the reciprocal means interchange the numerator and the denominator. So when you get this number 8, the meaning of 8 means, this 8 means we can write 8 out of 1. But the thing is, we don't show this 1. Now, when I'm going to get the reciprocal of this, we have to get it as 1 over 8, right? Now, that you keep it in your mind. Now, we'll take it. I have 4 out of 5. Now, I'm going to change this division to multiplication. Then I have to take the reciprocal. Then 1 will go up and 8 will come down. Right? So that step you have to do, right? Now, after that, it's multiplication. So I can simplify. 1, 4, and there are 2. So numerators, I have 1 times 1. So it's 1. And 5 times 2, it's 10. Then I'll get my answer as 1 out of 10. Now, remember, when you're doing this type of a question, first division, you have to change into multiplication by taking the reciprocal, right? Okay. Now, from this video, I have covered the section A, the next 10 questions, right? Okay. If you learn anything from this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. We'll meet next time. Thanks for watching.